In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a Salesforce report public. Let's get started right from the Salesforce homepage. First, make sure you're logged into your Salesforce account with a profile that has access to reports. Once you're in, take a look at the top navigation bar. You should see an option labeled Reports. Go ahead and click on that. This will open the main reports area where all of your existing reports are organized into different folders. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a panel that lists your available report folders. In that panel, look for the folder called Private Reports. This is where Salesforce stores reports that only you can see. Click on Private Reports to open it, and you'll now see a list of all the reports that are currently private to your user. Next, find the specific report that you want to make public. You'll see each report listed in a row with its name and some basic details. On the far right side of the reports row, there's a small downward pointing arrow, sometimes called the More menu. Hover over that report, click the arrow, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From that drop-down, select the option labeled Move. When you click Move, a pop-up window will open. This pop-up lets you choose a new folder for your report. What we want to do here is move the report out of your Private Reports folder and into a folder that's shared with others. In the pop-up, you'll see a list of folders you have access to. Look for a folder called Public Reports, or any other report folder that you know is shared with the team or with specific groups. Click once on the folder that you want to use. If your organization uses custom shared folders, make sure you pick the one that matches the audience you want to give access to, such as a sales team folder or a department folder. Once you've selected the appropriate folder, look to the bottom right of the pop-up and click the Select Folder button. Salesforce will move the report into that shared folder. As soon as that's done, your report is no longer private to just you. It's now available to anyone who has access to that shared folder. And that's it. Your Salesforce report is now public within the scope of the folder you chose, and your team can view and use it just like any other shared report.